Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. So position your chair. After that, you walking into the scene, then you make a seat, then you pick your phone, you start pressing your phone, just concentrate and do as if you are pressing your phone. After some few seconds, then you look up as if someone is walking in, then you walk with the person with your eyes until the person sit down, and you see that the person is sitting on nothing. Then you are wondering, where is this guy seated on? What kind of thing is this? Where is he seated on? Then you do as if you are communicating with someone. After that, then you look up again. You want to, because it's working out, you look out again. Then after you walk out, you can now stand up. Then you go to the other side and use your leg. But where is this guy seated upon before? Where is he seated on? Then, you are surprised. Then after that, you will come back now. Then you will take your seat again. Then you look up again for the third time as he's walking in for the third time. Then he still come back and sit there. You are still surprised. Then the next thing, he's offering you something. You wave your hand. You said, no, I don't need it. Enjoy yourself. That kind of thing. Then after this part now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to stand up now. Then you change the position of this seat. Take this seat to the other side opposite you. That is the next thing you are going to be doing. As you change the position of the chair now, then you are going to be pulling your clothes. All right, you pull your clothes. Make sure you have an extra cloth or singlet like this. Then after that, you come back for the second or the third time. Then you take your seat. All right, then you are surprised. You are communicating with someone. Why are you shaking your head? What is that? That kind of thing. Then you are do as if you are communicating with someone. Then after this communication now, then you say, I don't know, I don't understand. That the next thing is for you to go and walk out to go and get your snacks. All right, then you walk out to get your snacks. As you get your snacks, you are coming back to this scene again. All right, get your snacks, then you come back for the third time. Then you make a seat again, bring out your snacks and start eating it. Then after some few seconds, then you can offer the other character. You do as if you offer him something, and this declining. I don't want. You are saying, take snacks now. You don't want. Okay, I've offered you. The next thing is not my fault. After all, I've offered you something. Then after this drama now, all right, the whole drama, the next thing now is for you to walk out, because at this point we have gotten what we want. Then the next thing is for you to stand up here. Then you walk. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to your gallery. As we create this one together, click on CapCut. Click on new project now, guys. Import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. We are going to be clicking it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want this video to sit. When the character sit down, make a split, delete this first part. So at this point, you want to click it and expound it a bit if you like. That is, if you like. This place is choice. Locate the second part of the video. Go and locate the second part of the video before you stand up. Before you stand up, we are going to be clicking it somewhere here now. Click here, make a split. Then you go and look for overlay. We want to overlay this one. Click on overlay now. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Make it align. After that, now locate where you want this part to start from. So from this here now, from here now, we are going to be splitting here. Make a split, delete this first part, still click it and bring it to the beginning of the video. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is we want to import this video for second time. Click on this plus. There is a part of the video we'll be needing, so import the video for the second time. Then you go and locate that part we'll be needing. In the process of creating the video, we shall be needing this part of the video. Click here, make a split, go front guys, go front. Before you look up, all right, we are going to be splitting it again. Before you come back now, click it here and make a split. Delete this last part. Go and delete the other part of it here. You are going to be deleting it. All right. Click it and delete it. Then you come back now. All right. You want to click this overlay part, the second layer. Click it. You go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG, guys. Look at remove BG here. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying, just a size patient. All right. At this point, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any tricks or magic effects you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky, we might pick yours. All right. If you love this video you just watch now and you love what we are doing, smash your like button. All right. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Now, as you can see, that is still removing. All right. Now he has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. We are going to be playing this video now so that we see what it look like. We have some adjustments to make, many adjustments to make here, but play it first so that you will know and understand the kind of adjustments you need to make. Remember, you are acting a script. This is a script. It's in form of video. So you play it so that you will know some adjustments to make. So at this point, we need to make an adjustment because when the character is walking in and when you are looking up, they did not rhyme at all. Look at it. You have not looked up at all. So click here and adjust it. You come and click on this one. Then you drag it to the beginning. You play it to know whether your face coming up and the character walking in, whether they have matched. All right. If they have rhyme, if they've blended, then you can now move forward. But if they have not rhyme at all, look at it. It has not worked. You are still going to drag it back. You still come and click it and drag it to the front. Now we play it again to see whether we have gotten the alignment, the exact thing we want. All right. Look at it. We are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. This is nice. All right. So that everything we play smoothly. Now you allow the video to play. There is another other adjustment to make at the middle of the video. Allow it to play. All right. Just exercise patient. As you can see is playing. All right. When the character is going to be standing up now to walk out, we have another adjustment to make. Look at this point. At this point, you're still going to split it here because you are looking at the character when he stood up and walked out from the scene. So you are going to split this first layer. Then you are going to be adjusting it to the point where you are looking at the character to stand up. Remember, you are acting a script. You are acting a story. So when you have gotten it, then we move on. Then let's look at it. Look at it now. Immediately the character stand up. You are looking at him stand up. Then you look at him walk out. Look at it. We have gotten it. You are still going to do some little adjustment. You are still going to adjust it a little bit so that it will play smoothly. Or you watch it now. Let's play it now and see. Let's play it now and see. Then watch it. Good. The standing up and your eyes will be together. Now you watch him walk out, then you stand up. This point now, look at what we are going to be doing. You stood up to go and check where did this guy sat down. So here we are going to be freezing this second layer, this middle part where you stood up. Now we are going to be freezing it. All right. Immediately you stand up, we are going to be freezing this part now. So click it and go and look for freeze. Locate freeze, locate freeze. Then you freeze this part. So freeze it now. Then you click this one and drag it back. Click the main video and drag it back. You come to the freezed part, click it and drag it to align with that other video. You play it to see whether it has not worked. Then this is what you will keep doing until you get the perfect thing you want. We are still going to adjust it. We have not gotten it yet. Adjust it, then trim it now to align. So at this point, look at it. You are still going to be watching the character walk in. So that is why you still need to do the adjustment. Do it until you have gotten the right thing. If you have gotten it, let's play now. You now watch the character walk in. We have gotten it. Just do some little adjustment so that you watch the character walk in for the second time. Look at it. Good. So immediately this character sit down. The next thing now is where you are waving your hand, but he has not gotten. You first of all give him the something you are eating. So split here now and go and bring that other video. This one we reserve. Click it and swap it. Click this other video with swap it and leave it here. So now you come back, guys. Just come back now and play the video. You will offer him the what you are eating first before you will say no. Do you understand that part? So let's play it now. Let's play it. Immediately you offer him what you are eating. We are going to be clicking to split. Immediately you offer him what you are eating, we click and split. So the next thing is for him to say no, I don't need it. How can you know that kind of thing? Immediately you offer him what you are eating, click here now, then you make a split. You delete this last part of it, then let's play it and see what it will look like. Let's play it. You will offer him, say no, I don't need it. At this point we have gotten this video, so allow it to play so that we remove the unwanted part of the video because we have finished creating it. The next thing now is to remove the unwanted part. All right, then you come to this last part now. Come to this one. You can see this one is longer. Click here and make a split. Delete the last part. Click on this one and trim it to be equal with this one. So at this point we are going to be playing this video from the beginning to see what we have got. So play this video from the beginning. At this point, take time to watch the video. If there are necessary adjustments you need to make, you come down and do your necessary adjustment. But after watching it, if there are no adjustment, the next thing is to export this video to your gallery. All right, but don't forget to add your sound effects and every other effect. After adding them, you export your video, share them to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add the sound or every other effect I need. No problem. At the description of the video, my number is there. You can DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. All right, so what will be remaining now is to export this video, but remember we are still watching it to know whether there are adjustments or amendments to make. So you just watch this video to the end, and if there are any adjustment or amendment, then you can now export this your video to your gallery. But as far as I'm concerned, this is good. You can create this kind of video at the comfort of your home. All right, this is very nice. So you come down and watch it. After watching it now, the next thing is to export it to your gallery. Look at it. This is a nice one. All right, your story is very good. You tell the story very well. So the next thing now is we want to export this video to our gallery because that is what is remaining. So at this point you click on export, then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see that it is exporting. Just exercise patience and allow the video to export completely. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. Just in case you have a magic tricks or effect you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Okay, you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.